So for the stop limit, the difference between stop limit and limit is that there are two prices that you have to fill in this one. So in the market, there are sometimes maybe price move too fast, right? So let's say we already have Bitcoin, right? We already have Bitcoin in our account, and we know that our stop loss is 13,000. So if BTC gets to 13,000, it should help us sell our BTC because we feel it's going to continue dropping. Do you understand? So we want to set our stop at 13,000, right? So but there are sometimes markets move too fast that maybe by the time it gets to 13,000, it wasn't able to sell it due to huge amount of transactions in the market. So at that point, and we feel that if it gets to 13,000, it might continue going down. So we want to sell at that point. All we are going to do is to fill in the 13,000, right, which is our stop limit, and then the limit price. What this limit price does is, I already explained that if market is moving too fast, it is possible our order doesn't get filled. If our stop limit doesn't get filled, it means that the price will continue to go down and we still own BTC because we want to sell at 13,000 if it's dropping, and if it's not able to sell it, we'll keep holding BTC and we'll keep losing money at that point. So you are going to set your limit above the stop price. So limit price can be just $20 above the stop price. You are going to set $13,020. What this means is that when Bitcoin gets to $13,020, that's $20 away from our stop price. Help me sell it for 13,000. So in that case, there's no way we can miss our order getting filled. Surely our order will get filled because we already told the system to sell $20 away. Do you understand? So that's what stop limit does. What else? A different interface. So we don't want to be touching margin. This is the advanced which we are using now. This is the simple interface. It really doesn't matter. It depends on what you want. We have our spot wallet. This is where you see all the cryptocurrencies that you have right now. Do you understand? So these are all the cryptocurrencies. And then so we have spot order. Spot order will show us all the orders that has opened that have not been filled yet. So I have a Dogecoin sell order for this price. This is about 30% gain on my particular position. This is WRX against BTC, and this is ELF against BTC. So this is the price I want them to fill at. This is the amount I want to sell. So we have order history, what I've bought and what I've sold in the past. We have a trade history too. These are the trades that have been successfully filled over the past few days. So that's all about Binance. There's nothing much. You want to be using Binance to buy the physical cryptocurrency. Do you understand? So in the next lesson, I'm going to be showing you the real trading platform, which is Bybit. Do you understand? So we're going to be showing you how to set your stop loss, how to calculate your position size before taking a trade. So that will be all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next.